So now we're going down the steps here. This is a foyer. Front door, stairwell. Someone has this beautiful lighting fixture here. And they decided to put a random shelf or something. I have no idea what it is, but it's coming out. And we turn to the side, and here goes the dining room. Once again, this random recessed hole in the wall. Not sure what they were doing or thinking there. And we got broken windows and the whole nine, but our job in here is to get this ceiling done. There's a lot of imperfections that you probably can't see on this video. And we're gonna, this is all the trim is oil. And it's yellowed pretty well. We're going to take care of all that. We walk into the living room. And this is just some supplies to get us started. About 25 gallons of paint. 27 to be exact. It's only actually less than half what it's actually going to take. But it gets us started. This is a kitchen. Someone decided they're going to use that as an access for wiring for lighting, and then decided they just wanted to stop and no longer wanted to do it. Come in here, and this is a small little area right here that connects to the garage doors there, and our beautiful cabinets. Look how pretty they are. We're going to get those looking good. And that's what they look like from the inside. Just gives you an idea of the half the downstairs. That's the living room, going into the sunroom, kitchen, starting first. And there's a lot of ceiling work to be done. Great big old patch right there. Yep, nice and pretty. And we've got some bookcases and stuff like that to be done over here. A lot of patches on the walls once again. And this is a sunroom. And this is the patch for the ceiling. Once again, patchwork, patchwork, patchwork. Fireplace, and that's pretty much downstairs. We will be here for 2 weeks.